Restoration Home's about. It's about a place of new hope, new beginnings.
Jesus, through the cleansing power of your blood, we humbly ask the Heavenly Father that lost souls will find their way from the wayside and the hedges. May those hurting be saved. Help us to see as you.
I was living in a meth lab.
I was at the end of my rope.
I was to the point where I did not care about anything. I was an empty shell when I got here. I had no feelings other than I don't care. I don't care about it.
I was just about to overdose on several drugs at once, not just one. Because I knew I couldn't get out. I was addicted to crystal meth. I was in a relationship that was very possessive and controlling, and I wasn't going to get out. Every month I was figuring drugs and cigarettes and alcohol into my life. And then wondering why I was always at a dead-end road.
But I was still looking for something.
We have girls that recognize that they need a life change and they need some help getting from where they're at to where they want to be. They really haven't had a life, many of them. They've spent years of their life, some of them 30 or 40 or 50 years of their life dying. And now they have an opportunity to live and have life more abundantly.
He loves you too.